Hey crafty cuties, welcome back to Paper Terrace. If you're new, I'm Jessica and I'm really excited because today we actually get to open something up. These are my Advent journal packs. I'm not going to talk too much about it. I have a previous video kind of explaining what the Advent journal packs are and all the information you need to know about the 12 days of journaling with Paper Terrace. So we're going to get right in, and today this is the one we're opening up. If you received one of these packs, you can open this pack up as soon as you receive it, or you can wait for day one, but it does have your journal. So if you want to do anything to set up your journal, open it when you can. I'm going to put the rest of these fun packs that we get to open in later days in my little container here. I'm going to be keeping all of my stuff in this little thing right here. And since I've been playing around with these and prepping them for a while, I have a few extra charms that I've just had. But yeah, we'll open these all together in the next few videos that you're going to see from me. So here we go. We get to open it up. I'm really excited. Now, each of these are going to vary a little bit. There's unique things in here, and so your pack will be similar to this, but again, some of the things will vary. And this is my specific pack, so I'll be completely honest. Sometimes I would put specific things in here that I knew I wanted to journal with. Hey, that's the joy of being the creator of journal collection. And I try to do that because if I'm always just creating for other people and not getting to keep any of it, then, you know, I'm missing out. So let's just start we'll look through it, and then I'm going to look through my journal with you and I'll see if I want to do anything to it, but we will have tons of fun things to decorate our journals with in the coming days. So let's see. You're gonna have in yours probably something similar. I've included some of the Tim Holtz ephemera pieces. Some of the ephemera pieces that I had were also not Tim Holtz, but they were really cute, so I just included. So I have those. I guess I should go a little faster. These are printables from Artful Era Gallery. Yes, Artful Era Gallery, and I printed them on a kind of a cream cardstock, and I'll show you some things that you can do with these. There are some vintage music papers, or there's one sheet for each. I put one of these from this certain book that I had. The large doily, some of these ripped, but I really just used it for packaging. However, I'm going to keep mine because I may use it as well. You'll get some type of a vintage inspired card. This is mine. There are different images, and I think they're blank inside. Yes, but you get the envelope too. And then I included some scrapbook paper because we really have so much to craft with, you'll see. So again, these are just extra things that I'm going to keep so that when I open one of the packs up, if I want to include anything extra, I'll have more than enough. Get a napkin. I'm hoping to do some like decoupaging with this. I love little pine cones. You get a piece of a vintage border kind of thing. I don't remember what it's called. You'll get a little green craft bag, and then one of these vintage, it's a longer library type card. I thought that could be fun to do something with. You'll get some kind of a vintage card. Most of them don't have Santa on them, but they're probably a red or a blue. You get some vintage tickets. You'll get a time card. These were really fun vintage stationery papers, and so I included one of those. This is our journal, so I'll set that to the side, and there's just a few more things. And then you'll get... Now this does vary because I had just various vintage things, but you might get like a tally card. You might get a vintage card that's like for cash kind of thing. These are just some more little bits and pieces. You may get a postcard. I had kept this one out for my own journal a long time ago, so I just put it in my pack. Some more scrapbook paper. All different, you know, types and prints. You'll get another bookmark, or I think they all got something similar to this. So these right here, I thought these might be fun for the pockets that's on the journal. And then I have a vintage card here, vintage Christmas card. And then I have a little envelope. Now this one's kind of fun because I think it's for cash. And this is probably too big for the journal, but again, I might be able to do something with it or whatever. Okay, and then you'll get a little pack that's going to have things that you can use to create a little charm. If I remember correctly, I already put mine together because, again, I made these packs. I made a prototype version of these packs for myself, and so I didn't want to make myself a kit when I had already put mine together. But in the kit, you'll get either a little Christmas charm that's like a bow. You might get a little gingerbread, probably a little jingle bell, a little bulb pin, and then one of these little clips that you can clip it onto your journal. And then the journal. And again, these are all going to look slightly different. Whoopsies. But they are similar. They have the same ingredients to create them. And I wrapped them all in a pretty big piece of lace. And they're all really pretty laces. So this is mine. Now mine's a little bit bigger. So the ones that I used, I think are about this size. I think it's at least, I don't know the measurements. It doesn't matter. I wrapped it in some lace. So you'll have some lace that you can use or put in your stash, whatever you want. So this is mine. Now I did make mine a little bit different. I didn't put a bow on anyone else's. I wanted mine to be, you know, mine. But again, you can add to yours. So they all have a little pocket. That's why I included some journaling cards, or like these little bookmarks, so that if you want, you can really customize your little pocket here, or you don't have to put anything in it. And then we have some lace closures here. So the inside. Now, funny enough, again, since this is mine, you can see these ornaments are upside down, which was why I was like, okay, I'm going to keep this one for myself. But that's fine because I plan to put maybe a pocket or something in here. And then you'll have 6 pages, but front and back is 24. You may have a pocket in yours, but other than that, they're going to be pretty blank pages with a variety. Okay, so I love this and I'm so excited, and I do want to customize my journal real quick. I'm not going to do too much to it, but I'm trying to decide because I always love putting a little extra flair on my first page that's in my journal. So I need to decide what I want to do with that. I also want to decide what to do with the front here. And I think I already know that I want, where did that tally card go? Right here. I love this, and I could do something to the inside, but I don't know what I would like to do yet. But I think I'm going to put the tally card in the pocket here. Something like that. My pocket is kind of tight, but that's probably good because nothing will fall out. So we'll go like that. These are so cute, and I think I'm going to trim mine a little bit. The fun thing about the pocket on the front is you can change it throughout the time. You know, if you at the end, maybe you have like a picture that you really love, you could print that out and put it in. I am mostly going to be doing creative layouts in my journal because I have a separate December daily journal where I'll put photos. So this is strictly creative for me. However, maybe I'm going to add a photo or two. I don't know yet. Yeah, okay, we'll do that. I love the layering look, so I think I've been showing you guys my journal with this postcard ever since I've been showing it. Now, sometimes some of these pockets are a little too tight for a postcard. So normally you could probably trim off just a little bit and be okay, but I almost don't want to trim this, but let's see, how much would I need to trim? How much would I need to trim? Oh, just a little. But do I want to do that, or ugh. I could use this actually for my first page. That's a tough call, guys. But I sort of love the layered look. Oh, we could put like this too. Maybe something like this. Yeah, let's stick to that right now. Also, we have our little charm, which for me, I'm just going to put mine, I think, like on here, like that, I think. So, okay, let's go back to this. Whew. Okay, I think I'm going to reserve like this space for my day one layout. So I do think I'll set this up like I do with all my journals and do something kind of fun and special. You know, I need to cover almost this entire thing here. So I could put this down here, but I feel like I would want to make this into a little pocket. So that's okay. We can do that. Let's see. I'm just going to look through and see if there's anything else that I want to add. Oh yeah, we have a few little ephemera pieces. I also really, really love these music sheets. And we could do some kind of a little fun fold out like that. I mean, that's pretty simple, but you know what? Yeah, because I was starting to think, oh, I could really go all out and make this wild and crazy. But you know what? I think I need to stick to the important part of this is that I want this to be just simple. Like, I literally just worked 12-hour days the last week, and why am I making this harder than it really needs to be? Okay, let's go ahead, and I do want to jazz this up just a teeny bit. Oh, that's so perfect, that little ephemera thing. Okay, let's do that, because realistically, I'm just setting this up. Okay, so we'll go like that. And just trim off that. And I really love this little holiday thing, but I don't know. I just don't think I want to cover any more up with this. So I think I'll just glue this on, and I'm trying to decide. I think I'll do a side pocket. Although, side pocket. Because we could add a little tag. Because I really want to decoupage with this, but let's not do that today. Yeah, let's not. Let's just glue this on. Let's see. I'm going to do a top pocket. Yeah. So I'm just adding glue. This is the only glue I have right now. I love this glue, but I don't usually use it for just paper. So, okay, go like that. I'm like kind of sad because I wanted this to be on the front of my journal, but I think I made the best decision. I think I like the layering look too. Come on, Jess. Okay. Also, I'm probably just indecisive because I'm tired. Okay. I was thinking of making this a little pocket and then putting this in here like that. And that's simple and cute. And then I would have a little pocket if I want to add anything else, because again, I am pretty obsessed with like everything being layered. Yeah, let's do that. And actually, that's going to be a tight squeeze, so I'm just going to glue on more of a side tuck. Okay. Okay, go like that. Just line it up. Okay, I'm just gonna let that dry. I love setting up my journals. It's one of my favorite parts like of the journal. I don't know why. I just always have liked that. Okay, now I know this will flatten out with time, but I'm gonna try to make sure that it's stuck really well. And then I'll wait a minute before putting anything in the pocket, but I'm considering putting this down right here. Sometimes, guys, I wish you could tell me yes or no. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for it. Okay, I'm gonna staple that on though. Yes. Because we'll have it, actually, yeah, we can have it be like almost like a little tab. There we go. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna actually be a challenge for me to keep things simple, but realistically, I want these layouts, these entries to be simple. I want them to be 10 to 15 minutes only, because that's what's doable. I know that. So I really shouldn't be overdoing it. I don't know how long we've spent here. I know the video's at 17 minutes, but I did open the pack with you, so I think we're pretty good for time. Okay, so just thinking, because I have all kinds of other fun little bits and pieces. Oh, this is... And maybe when I'm opening up my packs, maybe I'll add something more to the pocket. I think for now, this is probably good, because it'll be fun to take the music sheet out. Just debating if I want this little doodad. Hey, it's a little tuck spot, so we'll just put it there for now. And then we have our little side pocket, and I'll probably come up with something to, oh, it's not a side, it's a top. Oh, my pizza's done for my kids' dinner. Yeah, so for now, I'll just put this little tag. I think that there will definitely be some decoupaging coming at some point. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. You may see in the final thumbnail, maybe I changed something up, but you know what? Let's put this actually right here, so that'll hold that in place. There we go. Because that'll look super cute. All right, guys. Well, that was fun to open up that first pack with you and get our journal kind of set up. I'm not doing anything else to the pages to set it up. We're just gonna leave it like this. And then I have this. I'm gonna go ahead and put all of my other bits and pieces in here now. And that way when we do our 10 to 15 minute little journal challenge for the 12 days, I'll have so much to work with. Okay, guys, have a great day and I'll see you so soon. Bye.